Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here are amazing Teachers' Day and ideas that you can create to show your appreciation for your teachers. Create a simple foldable card inside a pop-up element like an apple or heart or thank you text. Decorate with colorful markers and write a heartfelt message. You can use trace your hand on different colors paper. Cut them out and arrange them to form a flower bucket. Glue them onto a card and write, and then write thanks for helping me grow. Cut the black cardstock to resemble a mini chalkboard. Write a message in chalk and frame it with colorful type and tape for a fun. Next is a 3D paper apple card. You need materials like red, green and brown paper glue scissors. Fold a small piece of red paper in half and cut it into an apple shape. Fold a few more apples the same way and glue the edges together to create a 3D effect. Create a card with a retractable bookmark. Use markers to personalize the bookmark with a teacher's name in an inspiring. Cut the yellow paper in a long rectangle resembling a pencil body. Add a pink paper eraser at the end and silver paper to represent the metal hand. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. You need materials like paper, markers and glue. Create an accordion style fold with paper and design each fold with a different letter, spelling out thanks or teachers on the back of each fold. Write a small message. This craft can make Teachers' Day extra special with personal touches. Thanks for watching this